How to flash firmware on the flight controller. Step 1. Connect the flight controller and enter DFU mode. Hold the boot button on the flight controller while plugging in the data cable. There are also two other methods to enter DFU mode. 1. Click the Activate Bootloader button in the top left to enter DFU mode. 2. Click the CLI command line and enter BL to enter DFU mode. If DFU mode is not entered, it may be due to missing drivers. Click the link provided in the bottom left Zadig to download Zadig. Once downloaded, click Options at the top. Select List all devices. In the drop-down menu, select STM32 bootloader. Click Reinstall driver to install the driver. Once the driver installation is complete, you can enter DFU mode. Step 2. Configure relevant parameters before flashing the firmware. Click on the Firmware flashing tool in the left menu. At this point, you are in the Firmware Parameters Setup and Flashing page. Click the Select Flight Controller option on the left and enter the model and name of your flight controller. After entering the information, click on the Select Firmware Version button below, using version 4.5.1 as an example. You will then see protocol options at the bottom. Select the appropriate receiver protocol based on your receiver. In this example, CRSF is used both ELRS and TBS. Receivers use the CRSF protocol. Since firmware versions 4.4 and above use cloud building technology, you need to select the features you require before flashing. Next, select the appropriate ESC protocol based on the ESC you are using. In this example, the D-Shot ESC protocol is used. Step 3. Flash the firmware. Click the Load Firmware from Network button at the bottom right. Once the firmware finishes loading, click Flash Firmware. Wait for the flashing process to complete. Do not disconnect the data cable or flight controller during the flashing process, as this may cause the flash to fail.